Keep learning and exploring with Wonder Kids.
Electronic items quiz for kids. Which device do we use to call people? Smartphone. What do we use to type words on a computer? Keyboard. Which device keeps our food cold? Refrigerator. What do we use to watch our favorite cartoons? Television. Which of these needs a battery to work? A remote control. Which device is used to take a photo? Camera. Which device helps us do math very fast? Calculator. Which device blows cool air? Fan. What do we use to print a drawing on paper? Printer. What do we use to clean the floor? Vacuum cleaner.
Hooray! Thanks for watching! If you had fun, tap the like button. And subscribe for more adventures!